out, but you look a little low. Take a peek at it. 10-4. Okay. 10-4?
10-4, and then we'll take 84th Road from 63rd Avenue back down to Farmanville.
10-4, give me 10-7 as soon as you do that. When needed. 10-4, K. Q11K.
Pacific from 3rd to Nevins, around the school.
38AC-015 to Field Officer M8, come in. Yeah, go, Field 2. Yeah, I'm gonna go get a refill. Copy? Yeah, looked it. Alright, go ahead. Don't forget to do your soul form when you load up. Repeat that? I said hit the salt form on your phone, on your barrage phone and the spreader when you load up. Yes, when you finish that, if you could just go into 11 or the other side of 11 from Greenpoint to Ash and just go up and down all the blocks and just give them all a shot, please. Shut up. 10-4, I'm having trouble with the spreader though. 10-4, whatever you could do would be appreciated. 10-4. Because the motorist failed to produce a valid insurance card. 10-4?
10-4, but it'll be a negative on the 15. Copy?
10-4, 10-4. Negative. We're gonna pass that on to the night shift. I have the list ready for them. Copy?
10-4, 11-8's okay.
Yeah, whatever you could open up and let some good salt on it, alright? 10-4, just do 125 for, do like 2 passes each, and then you can continue. 10-4? Yeah, 10-5 for 1K. Manhattan 10 to 401. Also hit 126 when you're done. That's 126 and what? 5th Avenue over to 8. 1K. 10K. 3, go with your message. Hey, Big March. Swing by Morris from Mount Eden to 169 and see whatever was knocked out and just give it a hit of salt, please. Thank you. Morris, 69 to Mount Eden. Will do. 10-4. March, go from Mount Eden, I think it's from Mount Eden going in the direction of 69, heading south. Just take a look, and if there's stuff knocked out, just solve it. Thanks. 4-1K.
On the floor right now, okay. Assistant fellow nice on the pathway.
Central copy is East 78 on West Side, Ken?
Anybody needs a shot of salt? Tillman from Manor to Slauson or Toledo Road? Yeah, the one that loops around into Toledo Road. That's Tillman right there. Okay, Townley to Tillman off of Slauson. No problem. Okay. Thank you. Call 140. Fernando, grab a couple of those plows. Get a couple of guys. Spin the plow. Let's do a little clearing on Astoria Boulevard. That's a 10-4, Chief. I'll get it done right now. Q3's an okay. 140, okay.
That's a 10-4, okay. 1434.
Thank you, Central. Brooklyn 29 clear. Brooklyn Soldier 1, red direct. Show me 87 to that 19. Ice 38, AB 610. Parson is coming in. He's having a little difficulty with his spreader. All right, Kev, what's the matter? I'm not 100% sure. It might be conveyor belt issue. 610, one garage on a break. It's, I'm getting some kind of error. It keeps turning off. All right, stop by. What's the error message saying? A lot of people over there. All right. That's 10-4. 3K. You want to stay there? I'll bring him around again. Come up Barnes Avenue. From, Gun Hill, all the way up to 222nd. 4. Then you can hit all that, after that, hit all that 211, Carlisle Place, that whole little circle around there. And then you can do that left place. Open service, copy. Thank you. You moving on to one section? 4. Thank you, Kev. There's no okay. Fraud. 10-4, 10K. White Plains Road.
Heidi to Carlos.